I'm Debbie Allison, and with Valentine's Day just around the corner, Crazy Felix and I thought that we would share with you some of what we have available for Valentine's Day. And I'm going to put him down here and just go over some of them with you. First of all, we're going to start over here. And we'll start with, these are actual figurines that may be personalized. You can put a little name here. And they are three-dimensional freestanding figurines. They're very detailed. You can see the back of these, how detailed they are. They're all handmade from polymer clay. This little one here, it's one of my favorite little ornaments, and the reason being is that I actually made a rendition of this back in 1979, and it was very plain, just flat, and I sold it for 50 cents. Now it was made out of bread dough back then and had no color. This particular ornament, I believe, sells now for $8.95 on our website, and it can be personalized right down here at the bottom. And then this one here is one of Felix's favorites. This is a freestanding three-dimensional figurine as well. And Felix likes this because you can see he posed for this one. We've also got something simple like this. The great thing about some of these little ones that are flat is you can actually utilize these. You can personalize them on the bottom here in the heart, and you can actually put it in an envelope like this and seal it up and send it as a Valentine. Put it in a padded envelope from the post office and just send it, and that could be your Valentine. But this is a Valentine that will last forever, because when Valentine's Day is over, you can put it away and then hang it on your Christmas tree at Christmas. We've also got this set of three little mice. We've got this panda bear, which is also a freestanding three-dimensional figurine. It has the words "Very Special" on the bottom. This is another cute one. This is for all the little dog lovers. It says "Puppy Love," and it is a freestanding three-dimensional figurine. And we've got this one, which I think is one of Glenn's favorites. It was actually his idea, and I think it's very cute. This is an actual ornament that could be utilized as a Valentine or a gift tag as well, and it says, "I'm big on you." And then you can put the names and year on these hearts up here that he's holding in his trunk. Then we've got this three-dimensional candy box, which I think is very cute. Little mouse inside eating candy. And then I guess we'll end with my very favorite one. This is our belly bear in a little bee costume. And it says "Be Mine" on the heart. And then you can take this little honey pot here and personalize it with a name and the year on that one. And it's got little wings and his little antennae and some little tiny bees stuck around on the pot and on his arm. And I think that's probably one of my favorite ones. So if you like what you see, you can visit our website at www.debandco.com, and for a limited time you can enter in the coupon code Valentine20, all uppercase, and receive 20% off all of our Valentine products. And if you buy $20 or more, you will also get free shipping. So we hope you will take the time to visit our website, and we appreciate your time with us today. Thanks so much. Again, I'm Deb & Co. with, I'm Deb with Deb & Co. Thank you. Bye-bye.